They're being billed as the cleanest, quietest, and most technologically advanced cars in America. And a Massachusetts auto dealer is the first in the nation to start selling them. Merrick Chevrolet of Arlington, Massachusetts will showcase electric cars made by Solectria. And New England Cable News business reporter Mont Fennell takes you on a spin in the Solectria Force.
It plugs into any standard power outlet and costs 2 to 3 cents of electricity per mile. The Solectria Force has an average range of 40 to 45 miles per charge, top speed 70 miles per hour. Best of all, say environmental leaders, it doesn't pollute the air.
If you're in the market for a Christmas present this year, try an electric vehicle because it comes already assembled and the batteries are included.
The Solectria Force is made in Massachusetts, and consumers can now buy them at this Arlington, Massachusetts Chevy dealer. Ed Myrick expects them to sell quickly, especially since the cost of maintenance is 2/3 that of gas vehicles.
There are no oil changes, there are no tune-ups, there's nothing. You just drive the automobile and keep it charged.
Massachusetts is one of 3 states aggressively pushing electric vehicles. It's requiring the 7 biggest automakers to provide dealers with 3,750 EVs by the year 2000. By 2003, manufacturers must supply 10% of the cars sold, about 11,000 in total. Still, Detroit has been fighting the state, claiming that electric cars are too expensive to make and unaffordable to most consumers. This week, however, GM will begin leasing its recently unveiled EV1 in California and Arizona.
It's going to be very difficult for us to take GM, for example, seriously if they're marketing and producing those cars. And if they can be sold in California and Arizona, they can be sold in the country.
But some electric car critics believe that Detroit makes a good point, especially regarding the difficulty of making electric vehicles effective in colder climates like New England. Freezing temperatures reduce the range EVs can travel by up to 25% because so much energy is required to power the heater.
We have a cabin preheat system.
Solectria says, though, that it's largely solved the problem by installing a computerized timer to heat the car's interior. The programmable device will preheat the vehicle at a specified time, drawing not on the car's battery, but on electricity coming from the charging supply.
We actually did some testing in Vermont at 20 below zero. And we were able to keep the cabin warm. The bottom line is that even under very adverse conditions, you can get more than 30 miles range on just about any occasion.
The cost of Solectria's electric vehicle is $32,000, close to $40,000 fully loaded. But the company promises that once folks start to see the advantage of these things and start to purchase them in bulk, well, the price will likely come down to about $20,000 within the next couple of years. In Arlington, Massachusetts, Mont Fennell, New England Cable News.
It was a day of